So this is how I do my eye makeup, knowing that I have hooded eyes. And this is someone who would not know the tricks, how to put eyeliner, how to apply eyeliner on hooded eyes. I can actually see a stark difference between these two. This one looks much more brighter and youthful, and this one looks very droopy and, you know, just ordinary. Hey you all, it's me Unpopular Didi aka thanimafrancispvt. So आज की वीडियो में I'm gonna share with you all how I put my eyeliner. So basically I have hooded eyes, okay? So people who have hooded eyes really struggle with putting on eyeliner. So this video is gonna be a tutorial how you can apply eyeliner, which is quite easy and simple. So the first step is not to close your eyes before putting on eyeliner. Keep your eyes open, guys. I'll put a dot in the corner of my eyes. You see that line? This line where the hood ends. I'll put a dot there. And then I'll put an extended dot somewhere around here, let's say. And the fourth dot has to be just above my eyes. Just like that. Can you see that? I think I need a bigger mirror for that. Did I put it on correctly? So let's just join these dots. I hope you can see very clearly where I have put my dots. One is here, one is just at the end, one is an extended dot, and one is just above my eyes. I'm using this liner from K Beauty. Alright, so that's our first step. Second is to join these two dots. Okay, we got this. And then from the middle. Yeah, it has to look something like this. And then fill in the rest. It might look weird when you close your eyes, but trust me, when you open your eyes, it looks like this. And then you can join in the inner corner. Quite easy and simple. I like to make my eyes look bigger, so this is an extra step that I always do. I have this one from Swiss Beauty. It is an eyebrow and gel eyeliner. I use this thing just to make my eyes look bigger, so here's how I do it. I'll start from the middle and then I'll do this. You have to leave a gap between this eyeliner and this eyeshadow, so there has to be this gap. Alright, so this instantly makes your eyes look bigger. You can actually see a difference between these two. My eyes look really different. And now we're not gonna end this here. I will apply a mascara too, so that my eyes look even bigger. Just here at the end. I have a love-hate relationship with mascara because it's so hard to wash it off. It does not come off that easily, but it does lengthen your eyelashes, which is a great thing. Now I'd like to highlight my inner corners just to make it more big. So I'm using this palette from Swiss Beauty, and this video is not sponsored by Swiss Beauty, y'all. I swear. This one is a broken one. ये मेरे किसी friend के घर पे रह गया था, and मैंने बहुत time से उससे वापस लिया नहीं था. So इस हालत में आया है. उनकी गलती नहीं है, मेरी गलती है. I wanna go with a shimmery one though. I'm using this one. It has all the nude shades. I quite like this one. And then just apply it on my inner corners. So if you have hooded eyes, whatever you put on this area will be gone. That will be hidden. So whenever you put eyeshadow, it has to be somewhere around here so that people can actually see that. One last step and I'm done. To complete this eye makeup, I have applied these falsies from Swiss Beauty in the variant Cocoa. At this point, I would say that it is paid partnership, but it's not. It's not. I wish it was, but it's not. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want any other tutorial. I'll be happy to make. Bye.